6 minutes walk going to the place where you can see the tarsier. And you need only to pay for 150 pesos per entrance. And yeah, just only 6 minutes walk from the reception going to the place. And that's the size of the tarsier stars, 85 to 160 millimeter. Here we are in Tarsier Sanctuary, and we're here right now in Bohol, by the way. So this is the first store we gonna visit in Bohol, and let's see what's going over. And we're gonna check the small tarsier, which is about 85 to 150 millimeter. Yeah. So let's check where's the tarsier hiding today. So here's the entrance. Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary. 180-degree of cervical rotation. Wow. Where are we going? Saan punta? Dito, pasok. Pasok. She's our tour guide. What's your name, ate?
Glyza po.
Glyza. Her name is Glyza, by the way. Alright na. Ang liit. Ayun.
Saan?
Ayun o, ang liit.
Saan?
Hindi ko makita sa camera.
Saan?
Ay, ayun.
Saan?
Hindi ko makita sa camera. Ayun, sobrang yak.
Hindi ko makita.
Ayun, ikot-ikot na yung ulo niya.
Ay, ayun nga.
Mas nakikita ko dun sa camera kasi doon.
Ayun na.
Ay, susundan natin siya traffic.
Wala na magbisido ko pa.
We're looking for tarsier, by the way. And this tarsier is very tiny. I need to find someone else on it. Ang lapit. Sleeping siya. Ang ganda sa camera. Pag panoorin, kitang kaya. Yes, our foreigner. They're tall. May mga model pala ako sa harap. This is called Kalibunan in Bohol. Beauty. Beautiful.